how do you handle personal data, and how do you treat or manipulate that data.
The same key that is being used to encrypt the information is the same key that is going to be used for encryption.
So today we are having Global Encryption Day, and mostly it is informed by the fact that nowadays not everyone online is safe. So what we are trying to do is to make sure that at least we have what is called end-to-end encryption. So encryption is just a way of putting your data in a way that it is not interceptable by the other person. It cannot be read if only it lands on a different hand. So that is what we are doing today, just to create awareness and also to train people on how to secure themselves using these encrypted apps. My name is Alfonso Dhiambo. I'm the president of the Internet Society Kenya chapter.
Encryption is keeping your data safe, whether stored in your device or also in transit. So my name is Mark Orina, software engineer and IT professional.
The Internet Society is about policymakers, it's about citizens, it's about organizations, it is about people and how they use the internet.
Yeah, so next we're going to look at data storage encryption. You can go to the next slide, Alphonse. Yeah, so we have been talking about data in transit encryption, okay? End-to-end encryption, okay? But can we protect data at rest, okay?
One of the ways I ensure my security beyond using a password is also I use a VPN, especially when I'm accessing public Wi-Fi, just to protect my password. Another way that I actually encrypt my data is using this one called BitLocker to be able to secure the information I have for work, which Dr. Ron actually mentioned.
On the issue of infrastructure, because one is that they have masts all over the country and people are connected through the masts, and you find that the information is connected through nodes, and this is able to pass systems. So who controls this? So those are the discussions that we're having on the Internet Society. We're talking about we need to secure the internet. We're talking about that citizens need to learn about the internet.
Encryption has a lot of value for communication because right now in this world, data is the new oil. So people are selling data, your phone number is very valuable. So it's very important to protect yourself in terms of your data and how you actually move online, because people can actually use it for personal gain or for malicious attempts. So it's very important.
So encryption comes in a point where we complement that part of Data Privacy Act to make sure that data integrity is maintained. The Act requires that we treat data with a lot of integrity, and that means that it is only you as the user who needs to have access, or you know where your data sits, who has it, how it is being handled and manipulated.
My name is Albert Migoa. I'm the head of communication and public relations at the Internet Society of Kenya. There's certain information that we want the world to know or the public to know, and there's that which we do not want. So in order to safeguard information, that's why encryption comes in.
So our role as Internet Society and globally is to make sure that every internet user is secure. Because one of the things we promote is secure internet for everyone. We have different categories of stakeholders that we want to call up to join us. One is international organizations that can be able to help us amplify this information by either sponsoring kind of workshops or awareness or publicity.
So for any individual or organization that would like to be a member of the Internet Society, you can visit our website on www.internetsociety.org, or you can find us on social media. We are on Twitter as ISOC_KE, and we'll be able to guide you on how to become part of us.